Hello students who is watching this video. So welcome to all of you in this special session. This is the NIOS National Institute of the Open Schooling, and we are my name. First of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Rahul Rao, and I'm working here as a physics tutor. I have more than 10 years of the teaching experience of the physics, especially, and I always try to make my subject easy, comfortable for the students who never, in an iOS platform. I teach the students who didn't, who never before this. Before an iOS enrollment, they was in the commerce background, they was in the art background, but still they enrolled themselves here and got success. They passed the exam with the good marks. Okay, so हमने उन बच्चों को भी पढ़ाया है जिन्होंने कभी भी पहले फिजिक्स के बारे में उनको कोई आइडिया नहीं था, एंड कि फिजिक्स इज नॉट in the class 11th and 12th, this is the most important subject and most horrible subject for the students. But you don't worry, you are on the right platform, you are in the right place, you are watching the right video. If you have, you want to pursue your journey, you want to pass out your exam, so you are on the right place. Okay, I will help you. So watch this video till the end point and know why this NIOS platform is very important, and what is our method of how can you pass your exam, है ना, हम कैसे आपको, first of all you need to know about NIOS, because nowadays, so many confusion are there. Some students are thinking that this is valid or not valid, what is this, we should go or not go. So that's today we will try to clear it out in this session. Okay, so welcome to all of you. So start. This is the first of all, what is the NIOS? So NIOS is the National Institute of the Open Schooling, and it is the central government, you know, like CBSE. CBSE is also a central government organization. So NIOS is also a central government project. Especially, it is the good for suppose who can't go, visit the school, who can't go, they are working professional, they can't go to the school, and suppose ki somewhere there are no option for the school, some people don't have time, for the daily attend the schools, so those people can enroll themselves here, Hannah. And government, what is the planning of the government? That means they want to reward each and individual talent. That means it doesn't mean ki if you have a good knowledge, but due to the lack of the time, you can't hold a degree, you can't pass out an exam. No, if you have good talent and you don't have time, still you can बी ए स्कॉलर, है ना, आप फिर भी एक एजुकेशन से जुड़ सकते हैं मेन स्ट्रीम में. यू कैन कम ऑन द मेन स्ट्रीम ऑफ द एजुकेशन बाय द एनआईएस प्लेटफॉर्म. Correct. So NIOS platform, it is the here what is the no compulsion ki you need to attend each session and you need to go to school, you need to enroll themselves. There should be there are no, this is a open schooling. That means you are free, you can study from anywhere, and this is the independence in education. You are not bounded to visit the school. Correct. सो अगर आपको पास टाइम नहीं है, आप कहीं से भी पढ़ना चाहते हो, आप अपने घर में पढ़ सकते हो, ऑफिस से पढ़ सकते हो, आप कहीं से भी आप पढ़ाई करो. Finally, you need to write the NIOS exam. If you get pass out, you will get a degree and certificate, and that is a valid in all kinds of the examination. In not is valid only in India. If you go, if you planning to go abroad, so that is this NIOS degree is the valid everywhere. Correct. So you can see here it was established by the Ministry of Education, Ministry of Human Resource. It is in the 1989 Government of India. Correct. So no need to worry. This is valid. Is government. You can see this is like CBSE, IB, and other boards, state boards. So like that degree, it is also valid. And so no need to worry. Correct. Next one is that what is the, you can see here, what is you see international acceptance of the degree. Then NIOS collaborates with the Commonwealth of Learning, UNESCO. It also has study center of the Indian expertise, and Bahrain, United Arab Emirates, international also. You cannot, its center is also working in India, but it's working in the other countries also as well. That's why I tell you, its degree is valid all over world. So no need to worry. Correct? So what is the course offered? So you can't imagine कि how many courses. What you can think, जो भी आप सोच सकते हो कि if you want to in the CBSE boards and ICSE boards. So you need to write the exam in a packet, like it should be, you need to write at the same moment. You need to write the exam, the physics, chemistry, mathematics, okay, and also to like English, and you need opt physical education means element language subject, and other one subject is like 5 subject you need to write in one time. But here it is not, you are not bounded to write the exam in one time. Okay. And this NIOS is organizing the exam. There are two kinds of the program is here. First exam is called on demand exam. Second exam is called like public exam. Correct. So on demand exam, it's suppose you are now you are ready. Suppose you know ki how much syllabus I have completed, how much things we covered, and what is the command on the subjects. And now you have free time, like in suppose ki you are the working professional, working woman, man, and anything, and you are thinking in oh no, I want to write the exam in the month of the Feb, I want to write the exam in the month of the March. So you, according to you, this is called on-demand exam. So you can enroll yourself and you can write the exam as per your convenience. Okay. And also public exam in the two times, like one is in the month of the November and second in the month of the April. Okay. So according to this, you can plan. So this is the, and all courses, physics, chemistry, math. And suppose you only write to exam in this year physics, so you can write the exam for the physics only. Suppose you want to write only the exam for the chemistry, then you can write the exam for the chemistry only. And there are no boundaries. You need to write the all the exam in one time. Correct. So this is the very good thing for the you all. If you are the any kinds of the like students or working profession, you are what you want to pursue. Like I in previous session, I teach many students who are working in, they want to change their like job. So they, some students want to do make their career in like telecommunication, like in aviation sector. So they, in aviation sector, and they want like physics is compulsory subject. So they completed their education from this NIOS platform, and now they are working. Okay. So this is the good thing. So all kinds of the courses, you can visit their website and you can check, ki what is the subject offered, what is the syllabus. Okay. All the things you can get. So I tell you what is the examination pattern. Public examination twice in a year, April, May, and October, November. Okay. And however, one is also eligible to appear through on the on-demand examination at the secondary level, senior secondary level, in those subject only in which candidates have taken admission in NIOS for the subject-wise learning. Okay, that's I tell you now. For each subject you can write the exam also. This is the option here only. So what is the, what we are offering, like assistance in enrollment, complete preparation of the examination. Like we are like, okay, this NIOS is the central government authority, but for you, you will enroll for the NIOS, but for suppose you are thinking, I want some tips, some help, so that's how can prepare the exam, है ना. So we will offer, I will assist you कि आपको थोड़ा लग रहा है कि यार कैसे एग्जाम, क्या पैटर्न होगा, क्या क्वेश्चंस होंगे, what is the syllabus and how to write the exam, how can we clear the exam in the first attempt, how can you score the good marks, and all these things. So if you want to, that means no need to worry, you are on the right platform. And again, we will what we are, suppose you don't have idea, you don't have time to enroll yourself, so we can provide you the enrollment assistance, assistance in the enrollment, complete preparation of the examination, and all the like complete 100% preparation. I think I can say you ki 100% guarantees also I can give you ki you will pass this exam. 100% result on the basis of my track record, what previous results I can see you, I can assure you if you are the regular and you are sincerely want to write the exam and you regularly attend the classes also, suppose what in the our platform which we are providing, so we also have some freedom, like you are not bounded to join the class on time, and we will provide the recording sessions, we will provide the test, mock test, all these things. When you have time, you can appear, you can write you can watch the video, you can write the test, all these things. Correct? So previous year question paper discussions also we discuss the what kind of the questions they previously they ask, है and that means what will be the pattern in this year, all these things. Correct? Help in the practical, because if you are opting the science subject, so there are there are 3 steps in this. Like first one is called TMA. TMA is for the 20 marks. We also provide the assistance in the TMA, tutor mark assessment, TMA. This is called, if I'm talking about the what will be the pattern of the, like if you are opting for the physics. Okay, so physics, what will be the pattern? First will be the TMA. TMA is called tutor mark assessment. Okay, tutor mark assessment. First one is the TMA for the 20 marks, and second one is the what, your practical assessment, practical, and it will be on the specified center. It will be also of the 20 marks. So we will help you in the practical session also. We will help in this 20 any 40 marks, it is in your hand. Okay, and finally public exam PE will be of the 60 marks, and total it will be the 100 marks. So this will be the pattern. So we will help you in the practical also, and we will help you for the public exam. We will conduct the regular session in 4 months. We will complete whole syllabus for the public examination in 4 months. And if you enroll for the on-demand exam, so that is of the 45 days program, 45 days to 50 days program. So that is the, and tutor mark, everywhere we will provide solution of all kinds of the question of the tutor mark assessment. And practical examination also will provide what we to make the practical files, how they will ask the questions, how the examiner will ask the questions. So all these things we will help you in this also. Correct? So as you know, my name is Rahul Rao, and have more than 10 years of the teaching experience, and I always try to make this subject easy for all of you. Correct? By connecting, by taking different simulation, by using simulator, by using different kind of exams. Because if physics is not, it is, there are numerical portion, the theory you can't write this exam by only on the behalf of the your learning capability, है ना? आप ऐसा नहीं केवल याद करके आप इस एग्जाम को लिख सकते हो. नो, you need imagination, all these things, like you should have numerical approach, and you need to know how they will ask, how to solve the numerical problems. Okay, so this is in this way you can do like this. So what is the syllabus of the, if I'm talking what is the syllabus of the physics, so these are the chapter motion, force and energy, 14 marks. Properties of the matter, 8 marks. Heat and thermodynamics, 6 marks. Electricity and magnetism, 14 marks. Oscillation and waves, that is the 6 marks. Optics and optical instrument, 8 marks. Atom and nuclei, 7 marks. Semiconductor and application, 7 marks. So these are the syllabus. But in these syllabus, they will not ask all the chapter in the public exam. Some chapter in the TMA, some chapter will be in the public exam. Correct? Optional subject is these are the optional. That means you can choose anyone, like astrophysics, electronics, photography, audio, videography, physics in medical science. So these are the optional for the 10 marks, and as per your interest, you can choose anyone. Generally, I prefer this electronic subject because it is good. You can easily score this. So these are the things. If I'm talking about the in detail, Suppose first chapter is the dimension analysis vector. So what is the in detail? Also, we can provide you what is the things inside the chapter, units, dimension, dimensional formula application. Huh? So these are basic physics. Motion. So motion, what is the subtopic in the motion in a straight line? Distance, displacement, speed and velocity, instantaneous velocity, uniform. So we also go through the in detail. These are the Newton's NLM, concept of force of inertia, first law motion examples. So in detail, we will also provide these are the chapter, and in the what is the subtopic in the chapter that you need to learn. Correct? So if I want, if I want to explain you one topic, like this is the optics from the optics chapter. So this is called dispersion of the light. So what is the dispersion of the light? This is very common questions. So this is the called what light dispersion is the splitting of the white light. White light means sunlight. So if you take a prism, this is called the prism, glass prism, and pass out this white light into the glass prism. So what happened? You will observe a pattern of the 7 color. So this, yani, that means if this white light get split into the 7 colors, and splitting of white light into the 7 colors, this phenomena is called what? Dispersion of the white light. This is called what? Dispersion of white light. Okay, so dispersion of white light. So what is the pattern? This, how many colors are there? So this is the red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. This is called this set of color. This is called a spectrum. So a spectrum is what set of 7 color is called a spectrum of the white light. And if I'm talking why it's happened, what is the reason behind it? So because different color have this, different color have the different wavelength. This is the wavelength. So wavelength, you know what is the wavelength? So light travel in the form of the waves. So what is the wavelength? So wavelength means length of the wave. So length, this is the wave. This is a wave, sinusoidal wave. Okay. So this distance of the one wave is called wavelength. So each color have the different wavelength. Like if I'm talking the red color, so red color wavelength is what? Highest wavelength. Red color have the highest wavelength. Highest wavelength. Okay. And if I'm talking about this violet color, these have the lowest wavelength. Lowest wavelength. Okay. So this is happen because of each color have the different wavelength. Okay. And because of the different wavelength, they have different energy also. You know, we know the energy E is equal to hc upon lambda. Hc, where h is the Planck constant and lambda is the wavelength. If lambda will be high, so energy will be low. So if I'm talking, if in your house, how that means you can see there are LPG gas, LPG, liquid petroleum gas. So by what color they are burning? If you see the burning color of the flame, you will get this is the blue color. So, and if you suppose someone like using the wood for the cooking the food, so they are burning like a red color. So red color, it is some maybe ask it is the difficult time taking process to cook the food on this wood, and but it is easily you can cook the food on the blue color. So what is the reason? So because red color have the high wavelength, and what is the energy of the red color? It will be the low, and energy of the blue color will be high because blue color have the low wavelength. So it is easy to cook the food on the blue flame, correct? Because they have the high amount of the energy. So this is the called dispersion. Splitting of white light into the 7 color is called dispersion of the light. So, and what is the, what is the practical application? If I ask you, what is the natural phenomena which happen based on the dispersion of the light? So the natural phenomena which is happen because of the dispersion of light is the, the rainbow formation. You can see this happen because of the rainbow formation. How this rainbow formation happen? So this, it happen only in the rainy day. How in the rainy day? This is small droplets of the water. These droplets of the water. So they behaves like what? This is small droplets of the water. They behaves like a small prism. And the small prism, they call dispersion of the light. And light get split into the 7 colors and they form the rainbow. So formation of the rainbow happen because of the dispersion of the light. Okay. So this is the rainbow. And suppose you want to know about the what is the work, how can you, what we can say the work. So work is the like work is what. So in normal life we used to say everything it is we are doing, we are sitting and reading the book, they used to say work. No, this is not the work. In science language, work is said to be you are applying the force on any object. This is the object, you are applying the force, and you are this, because of this force there are some displacement in the direction of the force, like this body get displaced as. So product of force and displacement, product of force and displacement, product of force and displacement in the direction of force, in the direction of force, is called what? Is force is called work, is called work. Correct. So work is said to be what? F, the work done is work is said to be F dot S. Force is a vector quantity, displacement is a vector quantity, but work is not a vector quantity. Work is a scalar quantity. What quantity is scalar? Okay, so it is, so that's why it is called scalar product. This is work is said to be what? A scalar product of force and displacement. Force and displacement. Is it clear? It is the scalar product of force and displacement is called work. And what you can write here, we know that what is the scalar product, like A dot B. A dot B is equal to AB cos theta. Okay, so work is said to be, work can be said, work is equal to F dot S. That means Fs cos theta. Fs cos theta. Correct. What will be the theta here? Theta will be the angle. Theta will be the, like, suppose this is the body and the force is not acting. Force is not acting in the direction of the displacement. They are acting at angle theta and displacement is in this direction. So in this situation, what is the work? So work is said to be Fs cos theta. Okay, Fs cos theta. Is it clear? In some situation also, suppose there are the friction, so there are three types of the work. How many types of the work? So three types of the work. Three types of work. First is said to be positive work. Positive work. Okay. Second is negative work. Negative work. And third is the zero work. Okay. What is a positive work? Suppose ki positive work means what? If you are applying the force and displacement happen in the direction of the force. And if force and displacement are both are in the same direction. Force and displacement both are in same direction. Both are in same direction. It is said to be, it is said to be positive work. Okay, but in some situation, the force is displacement is opposite to the force. Like if I'm talking about the negative work, so what is the negative work? Cos 180 degree, and cos 180 degree is equal to -1. So W work done will be equal to minus Fs. So this is called negative work. Negative work means what? Force and displacement are opposite in direction, then work is said to be negative work. Correct? So first one is the positive work, second one is the negative work. And so what is the example? Suppose this object is moving. Object is moving in this direction by applying the force F. Okay. So friction force, if it is not a smooth surface, this is a rough surface. So you know of friction force will act here. So what is the direction of the friction force? Opposite to motion. Opposite to motion. Okay, yeah, opposite to the displacement. Opposite to displacement. Okay, so what is the work done by this friction force? This is the friction force. So you see work displacement is in this direction and friction force opposite to the displacement. So work done by the friction, work done by friction. It is an example of friction is an example of what? Of negative work. Okay, and work done by this capital F is this F. It is an example of what? Work done. It is the positive work. Positive work. Correct? Second, if I talk you here, what force is acting on this body more? What? So you know if mass is m, so its weight also work in the downward direction. Weight mg. And a normal force will also act on the, according to Newton's third law, no? A normal force will also act in the 90 degree. This is the body, this is the object. So its weight will act in the downward direction, mg, and normal force will act in the upward direction, n. So what is the angle between displacement s and the normal force? So this is the 90-degree angle. So work is said to be what? If I'm talking, what is the work done? Work done by normal force. What is the work done by the normal force? So it will be equal to F S cos 90. That means N into S cos 90. And what is the cos 90? Cos 90 is the 0. So it will be equal to N S cos, yani 0 degree you can write here. N into S 0. That means 0 work done. So that means third type is the work done is like 0 work done. So when it will be the 0 work done? So 0 work done happen when force and displacement, 0 work done means force and displacement. Force and displacement. Displacement are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular to each other. Is it clear? So this is the called 0 work done. So these are the types of the work done. Okay. How many types of the work done? Positive, negative, and 0 work done. Correct? So in this way, and also after each class, we will provide these notes get uploaded to the site, and you can download these notes and you can, recheck, recap, when you have time. So this is the way of the teaching. So my dear students, hope कि आपको ये अच्छा लगा होगा. If you have any doubt and you want any clarity, you just call me on the given number. Call in our team you can connect, and I hope you don't have any time, and you just, if you want to pass out your exam, you want to pursue your career, and you want to secure, you want to possess a good kind of the degree, you must enroll yourself. Okay, so thank you to all of you. Bye.